What's going on, everybody? Captain Granite back here again. And guess what? We're finally moved. Oh my god, does it feel good to be back on this bike? And god damn it, is it dirty. I mean, I'm like not kidding. Before I hit the record button, like 20 seconds prior, I had my visor open, I had the music going. I got up to about 40 miles per hour, and all this dust I just see roll up, hit me square in the freaking face. I mean, my eyes dried out instantly. I'm still kind of like blinking my right eye a little bit. I'm like, shit. That's how long this bike has been like sitting. And I mean, I'm looking at it. It is filthy. I mean, she's a dirty girl. But first time I've been on the bike in about 3 weeks. And does it ever feel so damn good? Oh, I needed this. Buying a house, probably one of the most stressful things you can go through. I mean, if you're not in the military and shit like that, or a doctor. I'm sure brain surgery's hard. I think that could be a little bit stressful. But for like normal people, buying a house, very stressful. I actually had my first panic attack ever. I got nauseous, I pale, I just, oh my god, it felt like a huge freaking weight. Like I felt like a sumo wrestler was standing on my chest. That's how much it freaking like felt. Why would a sumo wrestler stand on my chest? It'd make more sense if he sat. Sitting on my chest. I'm gonna go with that one. But yeah, oh man. But it's all said and done. Where everything's moved in. This was the last piece. My dad came over, built a nice shed for it, because I had no place to put it. It would just be sitting out in the dirt, and that's not what I do. It was either attempt to build a Vespa. I'll wave to it. That's adorable. It was either myself build a shed, and it'd probably turn out to be like a dog house, if that, or bird house. Buy one of those pre-made sheds from like Lowe's or Home Depot, which are, you know, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, somewhere around there. Don't get me wrong, they're nice, but they're cheaply built. It's all that particle board crap and just it's paper mulch basically, but glued together. Or my dad came over and he put one together for me. Absolutely beautiful. And I put a picture of it in the Discord, and a couple people were like, "Oh, it's your man cave." Not necessarily big enough for a man cave. I mean, it's big enough for my bike, maybe a lawnmower, snowblower. My man cave is my gaming room. As most of you already know, I'm a big time nerd, and you know, we've been living at my my in-laws' house now for almost 2 years, with probably 10-15% of our stuff and the rest all in a storage unit. And we've spent the last 2 weeks unpacking, getting things situated, and it's like freaking Christmas. There's shit I forgot that I even had. Just blown away. I mean, I even found, I keep everything that people send to me, stickers, all that. I mean, I put those on my beer fridge. But any letters, stuff like that, from anybody that sends me mail, for motovlogging, of course, I keep. And I found a whole stack of that. I found the first letter Holler Moto ever sent me, and it's adorable. He's so cute and innocent back then. The hell happened to him? Ugh. But anyway, just the shit I found and I forgot about is just awesome. One person actually commented on the video about, I did a video about buying a house during COVID-19. You know, next would be a walkthrough video of the house, and I thought about it, and I've shown where I lived once back when I first started, and it didn't end well, and I'm not gonna do that again. I mean, I'm gonna be streaming on Twitch, you know, some video games. I'm gonna be doing some videos and stuff like that in my man cave, but that's really all you'll ever see of the house. Maybe I'll do some stuff in the shed, but you'll never actually see the house. Just some privacy issues, you know, from the past. I'm not gonna do it. So I just want to clear that one up. And it's nothing against anyone. It's just for the safety of my wife and I and our puppins. Oh man, just riding in the shade right here. Oh, it's so good. But I really just want to give you guys an update of where we at, and I should be able to get, you know, the Wednesday and Sunday videos kicking back again. Will it be this week? I mean, today's Saturday. I would have to edit. I'd have to edit this like now, today, and I have a lawn to mow. I have a bunch of crap around the house to do, so I won't be able to do that. So this will be out on Wednesday, and then I'll have another video for Sunday. So those will be back, and that's really about it. No, that's a cutout of a bear. I got all excited. I was like, sweet buttered toast, a bear! There's no bear there. I made a rhyme. A bear there. Is there a bear there? Stop. Go. Pennzoil. So yeah, that's really about it. You know, thank you all for your continued support during all this, and I know, actually, you know, I didn't really see a dip in my video views. Well, I was only doing one video a week. You guys freaking killed it with the views the past two videos. It just blows my mind. You know, thank you so much for all the love, support that you guys show and share. And I'm going to be getting right back on watching everyone's videos. I tried to keep up, and just I was falling asleep in my chair. And it's nothing against you guys' videos. I was tuckered out. So, no, thank you all again. I can't say thank you enough for everything that you guys all do for me. And if you check out my Instagram, you will see that there's a new shirt in the Captain Granite Teespring, and I have had like 3 or 4 people ask for it, and I was like, dude, I'm not gonna do it. And then I did it. And it's sweet buttered toast. It's literally a toast with some butter on it. It just says sweet buttered toast, and it says Captain Granite on the back. Oh, you know, I was cracking up making it the entire time. Oh god, you guys are too much. So be sure to check that out. And you know, thank you again. If you'd like to, hit that subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment. Now, I respond to every single one of the comments. I actually have like 2 or 3 that I missed from the last video, which I'll get to today. Yeah, you guys are awesome. So until the next one, hold on a second. We got a good sharp corner here. Oh no, this isn't the sharp corner. Yeah, so that's it. So until the next one, everyone, this is Captain Granite. Later.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh yeah, I am the cream.